8 space cadets, 2 teams, and 1 plan. Build the best rocket in the history of space camp. First to launch are Asia, Daniela, Jack, and Sinead. They have designed a 1-stage rocket, so one engine launches it before the capsule separates and floats back to Earth with a perfectly intact egg. AJ, Aoife, Connor, and Fintan have built a 2-stage rocket. After the first engine launches the rocket, another one should push it even higher before the capsule separates and floats safely back to Earth. Prepare for liftoff, guys! The rockets stand side by side on the launch pad, but which one will fly higher? And will either bring their egg back to Earth in one piece?
All right, you guys, let's head behind the blast shield.
First to launch is Asia, Daniela, Jack, and Sinead.
All right, guys, are we ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Whoa! Oh my God, it worked! Where did it go? Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Where's the rocket? But the egg is alive! No! Yes! There's the anticipation! Oh, yeah, that's insane! That's a treat!
We were actually like really happy our egg did well. We didn't know it hadn't cracked, but you know, it landed pretty gently, so we could figure out the egg was probably okay enough.
And we were nervous because there was loads of trees around, but it didn't hit any of the trees, thankfully, and we got it back.
Oh my God! Yes! NASA's gonna want to touch this!
Our team came in quite confident, and we had high expectations for our rocket, and it didn't disappoint us today.
Okay.
All
right, so
let's have a look.
take off the duct tape slowly and gently, then we'll see how the egg is.
Looks good to me.
See it? See it?
She's so cold! She's so cold! They're so cold!
That is full points. Congratulations.
Extronaut actually survived, so we were very happy with that.
I was actually very surprised to find our astronaut, extronaut, had survived. Even though, the parachute worked perfectly and everything.
Their one did well, to be honest. I was actually impressed by theirs, because theirs did so good.
The pressure is now on AJ, Aoife, Connor, and Fintan. Can they match or even beat the first rocket?
All right, team 2, you guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was a missile!
The rocket launch went terrible.
It didn't go well, but I did kind of expect it.
Well, I launched off, decent and went downhill from there, literally.
I thought our top end of it was really sturdy, but obviously it didn't turn out too well.
It's not all over yet. Maybe the egg has survived. I mean, it might have, right? It is possible. Anything is possible.
I don't even have to say anything because it's everywhere.
I can smell the burning.
Well, there's a piece of it there, there's a piece of it there.
Oh my God.
All over there.
Where did your egg go?
I thought maybe they would pull through and their rocket would go really high or something, but in the end it didn't work out for them. Their egg exploded, so yeah.
Our rocket, we did a 2-stage one. It didn't really work. Well, no, it did work. It went far. It's like a little missile. And the second stage came off it. It wasn't as successful as the first group, and the egg wasn't fully intact when we went over to it.
All right, guys, so we had a successful launch and a launch. So Team 2, out of a possible 950 points, you got 250 points. Yeah. Good job. Congratulations. You absolutely decimated your egg. And then Team 1, out of a possible 950 points, you got 900 points. Congratulations.
What did we lose 50 points?
So you get the extra 50 if you would have done a 2-stage.
They should all be proud. One team built a really impressive rocket that completed its mission perfectly, and the other team built a 2-stage rocket and proved that it's really hard to launch a 2-stage rocket.
One, and we did quite well. Yeah, like 900 points out of 950 isn't that bad.
Theirs did go really well. They only lost 50 points, but that was because they did a 1-stage rocket instead of a 2-stage.
No regrets about going to the 2-stage. Do you know what I mean? You know, we bit the bullet and just took the pain, you know what I mean?
If our 2-stage had worked, we'd have crossed them by a mile.
You know, okay, I was a bit disappointed because the other group did so well in theirs, but, you know, we all have failures, but you just keep moving on and it'll make you a better person.
I would call it a success, guys. You did great.
Thank you.
Thank you.